Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best worm drive 7-1/4 inch circular saw available on the market right now. This tool isn't just about power, it's about performance, precision, and long-term reliability. If you're a professional contractor, a serious DIYer, or just someone who values top-tier tools in the workshop, this saw is going to grab your attention. Let's kick things off by looking at the build. One of the standout features here is the ultra-light magnesium construction. This isn't just for looks. Magnesium is incredibly strong, but far lighter than steel or aluminum. What that means for you is reduced fatigue, better control, and less downtime, especially when you're on a full-day job site cutting lumber over and over. It makes maneuvering this saw feel effortless, almost like an extension of your own arm. Now, if you've ever used a circular saw and fumbled with depth settings, you'll appreciate the cut-ready depth of cut system. This feature lets you quickly and accurately adjust your cut depth. No more guessing, no more eyeballing, and definitely no more second guessing if you're set right for a 2x4 sheet of plywood or something more custom. Just lock it in and go. And here's something that really sets this saw apart: a 53-degree bevel capacity. That's a wider bevel range than many other saws in its class. What that means in real-world use is that you can tackle more complex angle cuts without switching tools or jury-rigging awkward setups. Whether you're framing, roofing, or creating precision cabinetry, this bevel flexibility expands what you can do and saves time in the process. Moving on to power. It's corded electric, which means no worrying about battery life or torque drop-off. Just plug in and you get consistent, uninterrupted power. Perfect for long projects where performance has to stay at 100% from start to finish. Let's talk about surface recommendations. This saw is optimized for wood. Whether you're ripping, cross-cutting, or doing fine trim work, it chews through wood like butter. The design of the worm drive mechanism delivers more torque directly to the blade, making it especially effective for tough, thick cuts where a regular sidewinder might stall or bind. One of the things we love most about this saw is that it doesn't try to be flashy. It's purpose-built. The components are high quality, the design is clearly meant for users who demand reliability, and there's a real focus on balancing durability with ease of use. Every element, from the grip, to the line of sight, to the blade guard action, has been engineered to make your cutting smoother, safer, and more precise. If you're a professional who frames houses, builds decks, or works on site every day, this saw will quickly become your go-to. If you're a weekend warrior with a garage full of tools who wants a serious upgrade, this is it. It's not the cheapest option, but when it comes to tools like this, you really do get what you pay for. In conclusion, this 7-1/4 inch worm drive circular saw stands out as the best in its class for a reason. It's lightweight, powerful, precise, and built to last. At Product Critique, we look at the details that matter, and this saw passes every test with flying colors. Thanks for watching. If this saw looks like the upgrade your workshop needs, you can check it out via the link in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments what tool you want us to break down next. See you in the next video.